Palau is an archipelago of over 576 islands in the western tropical Pacific Ocean. It is home to a wide variety of plants and animals. It has a rich marine biodiversity with over 400 species of hard corals, 300 species of soft corals, and more than 400 species of reef fishes. Palau is an exceptional place for the study of coral reefs. Among its peculiarities are several semi-enclosed bays in the natural reserve of Rock Island, where the shallow waters have seawater pH levels and temperatures as expected at the end of the century. However, the coral reefs seem not to be affected by this harsh environment. The research carried out by the ICONA network aims at understanding this resilience.
ICONA è un consorzio internazionale che è stato formato per studiare analoghi naturali del future climate e particolarmente il mio team studia l'effetto di questo pH basso, sedimentazioni, sui pesci tropicali.
These studies are carried out thanks to the support of the Palau International Coral Reef Center based in Koror, which is the front line of coral reef study and environmental conservation in Palau. One of the objectives of the ICONA team is to study the impact of climate change on tropical fish.
Il progetto che stiamo facendo qua è un progetto unico, è la prima volta che qualcuno lo prova. Il concetto di base è prendere pesci dalla zona dove c'è basso pH e molte sedimentazioni, traspiantarli in un controllo con le condizioni normali e viceversa. Questo si chiama trapianto reciproco. E quando i pesci sono acclimatati in queste condizioni, cominciamo a fare degli esperimenti di comportamento, per esempio gli diamo ai pesci la capacità di scegliere un habitat e poi quando abbiamo capito il comportamento andiamo a livello molecolare per capire come cambia il trascrittoma nel cervello di questi pesci.
61
standard.
The ICONA team studies the coral's acclimatisation and adaptation to such conditions.
On a choisi aussi Palau comme site de recherche parce que c'est pratiquement un des meilleurs sites au monde pour étudier l'effet de l'acidification et aussi du réchauffement sur les organismes benthiques comme les récifs coralliens, parce que dans cette baie, on a vraiment des valeurs de pH et de température qui sont très très proches à ce qu'on attend pour la fin du siècle.
Ma partie, c'est plus de s'intéresser à la physiologie et plus particulièrement à la nutrition des coraux et voir si cette nutrition, elle va être modifiée par les conditions environnementales et ici par le fait que le pH soit plus faible.
On a pris les colonies, les morceaux de coraux de deux sites et on a cross-transplanté, donc on a changé les sites où ils vivent et on a pesé, on a mesuré leur photosynthèse et respiration et d'ici à 4 mois, on devrait revenir à septembre et là voir s'ils résistent, quelle est la réponse. Et cette chose est importante parce qu'on peut regarder s'ils ont adapté au système.
At the experimental site, the team installs probes to measure pH and temperature variations during the experiment.
Our work here in Palau is we're looking at the low pH sites and the normal sites on coral reefs, and we're looking at the abundances and distributions of different animals. Many researchers work on coral or they work on fish. We're working on not only those, but a lot of other animals, so zoantharians or octocorals or other sort of understudied groups. And we're doing field surveys and as well we're doing environmental DNA. So we're really trying to get a handle on how the abundances of these different groups change in different environments.
This team also collects water samples at greater depth to investigate the marine biodiversity of Palau.
パラオの
ここでの研究っていうのはなかなか日本だと、沖縄ぐらいしかサンゴ礁ありませんけど、やっぱここまで熱帯のサンゴ礁の大規模なものっていうのは、日本では研究できないものだと思います。なのでそういうところに来ることができるというのが非常に大きいかなと思っています。
Following this expedition in Palau, we are very much expecting to build knowledge that will inform us on the future state of marine ecosystem and also perhaps provide us some solutions, nature-based solutions, to try to reduce or foster the recovery, the resilience of coral reefs under future CO2 and high temperature.
Ocean warming and acidification are more rapid than expected, with devastating consequences for coral reefs. The ICONA International Network will continue to use natural analogues as windows to future marine ecosystems. Their research aims at revealing potential mechanisms of resilience future reefs might use. ICONA has newly been endorsed as a United Nations Ocean Decade Action, and it is hosted by Ocean Acidification Research for Sustainability.